Today we're making Indonesian-style Nasi Goreng or fried rice. This is one of my go-to recipes and I never knew that this is Indonesian style, but yes, apparently it is because it uses a couple of key Indonesian ingredients: Kicap Manis or a dark sweet soy sauce and a Belachan. Anyway, this is super easy, so let's go! First of all, we're making the base paste or the rempah. You need 1 chili. I'm going to be adding a 1 Thai bird's eye chili or a chili padi because it's spicier and I like it. And then we are going to need onion and garlic standard. The final piece of this base puzzle is this belachan or shrimp paste. This is a salty, some might say stinky, dried shrimp ingredient that is going to give the nasi goreng lots of umami. We're going to blend all of those ingredients in a blender. You can also use a pestle and mortar, or you know what, you can even just finely mince this up with a knife. I like this shortcut. You don't have to grind it to a fine paste. This kind of a rough consistency will do just fine. Keep this paste to one side. Next, Kicap Manis or dark sweet soya sauce. This adds extra salt, sugar, and gives the nasi goreng that gorgeous caramelized color. Then of course you're going to need rice. A day old or older would be best. Freshly cooked rice is just too kind of wet and will result in mushy fried rice. Veggies. I love adding veggies to my fried rice. I chopped up some Chye Sim here and I'm also going to be adding parsley as well for a hit of freshness. Protein time. I'm using shrimp today. You can essentially use whatever protein you have in your fridge. Okay, let's cook. In a pan, add some oil. Once it's hot, add in the base paste. Stir fry the paste in the oil for a bit until your kitchen smells good. Then add in your proteins and let that cook. Next, we're ready for the rice. Stir the rice in and then add in the Kicap Manis as well. I used about 1 tablespoon by the way. There should be no need to add salt at this point. Stir all of that in and you really want to get all of that sauce to coat the rice evenly. Your proteins should be cooked fully by now. Toss in the vegetables at this point and also add in the parsley. We're almost done here. Add in a gentle sprinkling of white pepper. Give it a last few tosses and then voila, you're done. Plate that and don't forget the fried egg. I feel like this dish is just not complete without a fried egg. Perfect. Spicy, sweet, salty, and full of uniquely umami flavors. This nasi goreng is one of my favorite fried rice recipes. It's super easy as well, so just give this a go, okay? Bye!